Part 20 of our Indian Constitution. Part 20 of our Indian Constitution regarding to the amendment procedure. Article 368 deals about the amendment. Our Union Parliament can amend our Indian Constitution. So, whether it is ordinary issue, it can be amended with general majority. Whether it is difficult issue like removal of our president, removal of Supreme Court judge, and comptroller, auditor general, and several commission chairmen, etc. So governors and etc. Some of the provisions very difficult to amend and basic feature of our Indian Constitution. These are very difficult to amend, not easy to amend. So some of the provisions which were inserted in our Indian Constitution, these were clearly amended. These can be amended easily. Changing of state names, changing of state borders, and citizenship, and etc. These can be easily amended, and removal of a president and vice president, Supreme Court Chief Justice, and National Human Rights Commission Chairman, and High Court Chief Justice, and Comptroller, Auditor General. These are very difficult to amend, and basic features of our Indian Constitution, these are difficult to amend, very difficult to amend, not easy to amend. These are according to Constitution. Article Part 20 of our Indian Constitution deals about the amendment procedure of our Indian Constitution. Amendment procedure of our Indian Constitution. According to Article 368, power of Parliament to amend the Constitution and procedure thereafter. Our Indian Parliament can amend what? So, suppose for example, on the basis of Golaknath case and Keshavanand Bharati case, clearly given statement that our Union Parliament can amend our Indian Constitution. At the same time, our fundamental rights are the most basic features of our Indian Constitution. The most basic feature cannot be amended easily. According to Article 368 of our Indian Constitution, certain various provisions, these can be amended. And notwithstanding anything in this Constitution, Parliament may, in exercise of its constituent power by way of addition, variation, or repeat any provision of this Constitution in accordance with the procedure laid down in this article. According to Article 368, whatever inserted in this Constitution, according to 368, Indian Parliament can amend our Constitution. Some of the provisions can be easily amended. Some of the provisions cannot be easily amended.